Yusung, is it possible to convert a stereo image to a 3D image?
Yes, that's very interesting question because of two facts. The stereo image nowadays being very popular, everybody talking about 3D images. So one interesting about it is that we actually support the new format called the OpenEXR. It's actually for the high dynamic range format, but it also support multi-resolution and multi-channels. So it can contain two images in single image. And I happen to have one particular example which actually shows you how to create a stereographic image. But the thing is, this 3D image is kind of loaded term. It depends on what you're talking about. So definitely, I'm assuming that we are not talking about image 3D, which is completely different story, right? So 3D image, sometimes refer to the this type of it's a typical red cyan anaglyph. It's the those toy glasses that a lot of magazines have nowadays. You can see it through it, and creating that is actually deadly simple with the Mathematica, and you can actually do it in version 7 too. Although the format support is new in version the 9. So this case we have one example data which contains two channels, right and left. Also makes me confused which side is which. So I'm just trying to adjust it a little bit because I found that it's a little bit darker, so make it a little bit brighter. The only thing you have to do for the red cyan channel, this anaglyph is that you to find the red channel with the right image and the two left the two left channel to the two green and blue channel, so that it become making a cyan. So, and of course you have to convert those things into the gray scale. And that's about it. You just get the those images, and it looks pretty well. If you happen to have the glasses, just take a look at that example. Another thing is the alignment problem, because it's very tricky to align this pretty well because it's too far away. Two channels are, you're not really perceiving it as a 3D. So Mathematica is deadly simple to create these type of interfaces. I just quickly create this interface which does a alignment interactively, so you can just move around two channel images so that you match it when it's perfect for you. It depends on the distance between the screen and the size of the images, so you have to adjust it. But it's very simple.
Very cool. And to see that example at wolfram.com/mathematica, and on the What's New in 9 page, you can find the sample code for that, and you can play around with that a little bit as well.